Hello and welcome to Heavy Mud Tutorial. If you are looking to give your model this crispy, dripping wet effect, you are on the right channel. We start by mixing VMS pigment number 10, dark brown earth texture type, with VMS Alkyd binders, wet effects. Next step is easy, we simply smear the paste all over the lower hull. Now we do some tapping on upper hull areas, so that the lower and upper hull sections harmonize. VMS Universal Weathering Carrier will allow us to refine the results. Observe how the thinner helps blend the colors and soften color transitions. While working with Alkyd binders wet effects, you have around 9 hours to refine the pigment job. After that time it becomes permanent. We give the running gear the same treatment. Now we are mixing VMS Alkyd binders, wet effects, with pigment number 9, dark brown earth, texture-free type. The resulting paste is texture-free and will simulate dripping, muddy water. Apply it over running gear like so. "24 hours have passed. As you can see, the sheen is gone. It's normal, pigments absorbed the binder and layer was sealed. Reintroducing the sheen is very easy to do, simply brush over a coat of pure Alkyd binders wet effects. The binder is self-leveling and always produces a perfect result. Now we can reintroduce the sheen to achieve a permanent dripping mud effect like no other. After another 24 hours, the pigment job is all dry, and the crispy, high-definition wet effect is permanent. The tracks are receiving the same treatment as the rest of the vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.